नमस्कार। ग्रेट मैन इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं। कोविड-19 महामारी के इस दौर में मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आपका परिवार पूरी तरह सुरक्षित है, स्वस्थ है और बच्चों ने लॉकडाउन में बहुत एंजॉय किया है। अब मैं आपका सपोर्ट चाहता हूं। इस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चों की शिक्षा को हम अब स्टार्ट करते हैं और बहुत ही जल्द जो भी आपका बैकलॉग है हम उसको क्लियर भी करेंगे और एक नए तरीके से आपकी शिक्षा अब स्टार्ट होने वाली है। पेरेंट्स का हमें पूरा सपोर्ट चाहिए। आप लोग पिछले 10 सालों से लगातार हमें सपोर्ट करते आए हैं और मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि अगर हम और आप मिलकर चाहेंगे तो बच्चों की शिक्षा का कोई नुकसान नहीं होने वाला है और हमें और आपको मिलकर अब एक रीस्टार्ट करना है। नाउ लेट्स रीस्टार्ट। बेस्ट ऑफ लक। नमस्कार।
Hello kids, I hope you all are staying safe and healthy at your home. You all are enjoying a lot in your home and I know you all are missing your school and classrooms also. But now you don't have to miss your classrooms anymore, as here I, Miss Priyanka Jain, is ready to start with your online classes for the subject Social Science. So today we are going to start with our first chapter, that is Me and My Family. In this chapter we'll learn about what is a family, what are the different types of families. What is a family? A family consists of father, mother and their 1 or 2 children. Family are of 2 types, small family and a big family. In a small family, there are father, mother, their 1 or 2 children. Whereas in a large family, there are father, mother and their more than 2 kids. So now tell me which type of family you are. Family can be nuclear or joint. A small family is also called a nuclear family. A family can be joint also. In a joint family, there are grandfather, grandmother, parents, uncles, aunts and cousins all live together. It's a great fun to live in a joint family. In a joint family, all the family members have some responsibilities. They perform some duties to stay happy and healthy. So what are the responsibilities they perform? As you can see, nowadays father and mother both help each other in their work and in doing the house chores. Like they prepare meals for us, they do cleaning, dusting and they help each other in their work also. Our grandparents tells us stories. We love to hear stories from them. Yes. We love to go with them in the park. We love to spend time with our grandparents. It's a great time and a fun time with our grandparents. Dear kids, you can also help your parents in doing their work. Like you can arrange the dining table, water the plant, you can feed the pets, you can do your homework, you can keep your room tidy or keep your clothes properly and so on. There are a lot of things which you can do to help your parents. You should obey and respect your elders and your parents because they always fulfill your needs. They look after you. They help in doing your work. Yes, They help you in doing your homework also, no? So, always remember, we should love our family. Whether it's a big family or small family, whether it is nuclear family or a joint family. We should love each member of our family. Now scholars, let us differentiate between a nuclear family and a joint family. Point number 1. In a nuclear family, there are father, mother and their 1 or 2 kids. Whereas in a joint family, there are grandfather, grandmother, parents, uncles, aunts and cousins all live together. Point number 2. A nuclear family is a small family, whereas a joint family is a big family. Point number 3. In a nuclear family, there are less members, whereas in a joint family, there are more members. Now, let us revise all the points we have learned. A family consists of a father, mother and their children. Small family has parents and their 1 or 2 children. Large family has parents and their 3 or more children. In a joint family, grandparents, uncles, aunt and cousins live together. We must share work at home. We must obey our elders. So scholars, let's start with the exercises of this chapter. Our first exercise is multiple choice question. Now let's see question number 1. It consists of parents and their children. So what is it? It is family. Tick right on option C. Family. Now we'll do question number 2. Can you see this picture, scholars? So which type of family is this? Yes, it is a joint family. So our correct option is option C, joint family. Put a right tick in front of that option. Now our next question is question number 3. We must dash our elders. We must obey our elders. We should listen to them. Here the correct option is obey. Put a right tick in front of obey. Now our last question is question number 4. In which type of family the grandparents live with our parents? It is joint family. Option A. In a joint family, the grandparents live with our parents. So scholars, now we'll do our next exercise, that is match the column. Now in column 1, question number 1 is joint family. Where is joint family? It is given in option C. So match question number 1 with option C. Now our next question is small family. Where is a small family? Yes, it is option A. So match point 2 with option A. Now question number 3 is large family. Where can you find a large family? It is in option B. Match number 3 with B. So now scholars will do our next exercise, that is, read the following statements carefully and mark right on the true and cross on the false ones. So our first question is, a small family has parents and at least 10 children. A small family has 10 children. Is it true? No, it's wrong. So put a cross. In question number 1. Now, question number 2. Grandparents live in a joint family. Is it true? Grandparents live in a joint family? Yes? Yes. So put a right tick in question number 2. Now, our next question is, it is a burden to live in a joint family? Oh, no, not at all. Is it a burden to live in a joint family? No, we love to live in a joint family and it's a great fun. So this statement is wrong. So put a cross in front of question number 3. Now, our next question is, parents love their children. Yes? Parents love their children? Yes. So, put a right tick in question number 4. So, now scholars, we have completed our exercises given in the book. Scholars, before winding up this chapter, I want you all to maintain a notebook for doing the activities, worksheet and assignments of each chapter. So for this chapter, your activity is to draw a family tree and paste the pictures of your family members. I hope you will love to do this. Yes? Okay. Now, worksheet and assignments related to this chapter, you can get it from the link given below in the description box. In our every video, we'll learn one good habit. So today's good habit is, wash your hands properly with soap and water for 20 seconds. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye, kids.